Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with some kitchen tips and tricks. If you're trying to lose weight or just live healthier, green juice in the morning can really boost your antioxidant levels. You'll need 2 to 3 cups of kale. It can be flat or curly, 1 fresh fruit cut, or even in a package with its own water and juices, a whole apple, and a cup of ice water. You can also add some protein powder or protein liquids to really give it some staying powder. Start by putting everything into a high-powered blender. Whoops, you got away. Next, add your fruit cup. Now remember, it should have its own juices and not any extra sugars. Next, you're going to want to cut that apple just to take out the seeds. Drop it in there. Small chunks are fine. And a little more. And believe it or not, your cup with ice water. And any protein powders or liquids. Drop it in. Now you're ready. And in just about 30 seconds to a minute, you will have a high-powered antioxidant beverage that not only tastes good, but is healthy for you. I feel healthy already. Be healthy and be moved.